In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a comment in PDFgear. Now, there's a few ways you could do this. First, you want to go to the comment tab up top, and then here you have a few options. You could add a text box. So for example, let's say I want a comment over here. I'm going to just draw it out like this with my left mouse button by dragging it, and I'm going to type in, for example, this is good. Let's say this is just a comment. Of course, I could go and up here, I can customize that as well if I want to. I could go and add text. So without the text box, I could just type in over here, for example, hello, like this. As you can see, this also works. But then you also have the stamp, which kind of is like a comment. I can click on note, and I can select whatever I want the note to be. For example, over here, click on it, there we go, and then it's going to add it over here to the right hand side like a comment, and you can basically add your text. This needs work or attention, whatever I want to type in over here. And when I click out of here, there we go. As you can see, the note is actually going to get accepted, and I can now go ahead and of course see where the note is by this red little icon over here. And I do have different notes, different comments here on my PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.